Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your ISIC card for discounts. First, let's understand what an ISIC card is. The International Student Identity Card, or ISIC, is the only internationally recognized proof of full-time student status. It provides access to over 150,000 discounts and services in more than 125 countries. Eligibility typically requires you to be a full-time student at an accredited institution. It is a fantastic tool for saving money while studying or traveling. Once you have your card, finding discounts is simple. The ISIC website and mobile app are your best friends for discovering available deals. You can search by location, category, or even specific brands to see what savings are waiting for you. Many businesses also display ISIC stickers, indicating they accept the card. Always keep an eye out for these signs when you are out and about. It is a great way to save money on everyday purchases and experiences. Using your ISIC card is straightforward. For in-person purchases, simply present your physical card or the digital version from the app before payment. For online discounts, you will typically enter your unique ISIC card number or a specific discount code during the checkout process. Always confirm the discount is applied before finalizing your purchase. Remember, some offers might have specific terms, like minimum purchase amounts or exclusions, so it is always good to read the fine print. To truly maximize your savings, always ask if a student discount is available, even if not explicitly advertised. Many places offer them. Also, regularly check the ISIC platform for new partnerships and limited-time offers, as these can change frequently. Consider using your card for larger purchases like travel or software, where savings can be substantial, sometimes over 20%. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy saving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.